Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about few differences between the Parktool PC9, PCS-9 and PCS-10. So these two are definitely a little different. This one is about 30% cheaper. Keep that in mind. Here where I am, it's about 250 Canadian, and this one is about 400 Canadian. However, for you guys, I'm gonna link down in description the affiliate link on Amazon, where I get a tiny bit of commission if you decided to purchase these two through my affiliate link. Okay, now let's go further down. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the very first differences that I see here that I've gone through these two. Okay, now the very first one, starting from the top, is this rubber thing here. This is the area where you would clip your saddle and you would rest your bike over here if you want to take a quick look. So this is the very first difference that I see. Going further down, both of them have these fully adjustable handles. So you still get these regardless, you know what. So keep that in mind. Now the second one, on this one here, you see there's nothing here. Speaking about the rest, the little rubber here, you got nothing here. So keep that in mind. Okay, however, now going further down, this one here, you can only crank it here. If you look over here, this one here, you can crank it, but at the same time you get quick release. You see, this is your quick release. This one does not have a quick release, so you can, this is all you can do with it. Keep that in mind. It's kind of, this is what you get. This is why you're paying less. This is why you're paying more. Okay, now that I have covered that thing, let's go further down. Now, another thing that you're paying more for this one, it has this lovely adjustable tray over here. You see, it's got the handle, so you can adjust the weight, and it has a small tray. See, you see, I can put 4 fingers here. So this is definitely something nice if you look over there, okay? Okay, now going further down, over here, you definitely don't have the tray here. You gotta buy it. However, here it's kind of included. Now going further down, you look over here. You need the multi-tool to adjust the height. So you have a few of screws, and that's pretty much that. Now on this one here, you see there's a handle. There's a adjustable handle here, and you're gonna be able to adjust just like this. Now let's show you from this angle like this, and this is it. And then back over here, and it's adjustable. So I'm gonna show you. Now another thing that's a little bit obvious here, it has these 2 pins here. I'll let you see, there's one here. See that one? And there's one on the other side. And this is where you clip that handle, and you have the towel paper. So that's what's happening there. Okay, now going further down, they're about same height. However, I didn't weight and whatnot. However, one of the differences when it comes to a stand, you see this one has the pin here. This one has adjustable pin to keep the base kind of steady. However, this one over here, it's got the handle. You see, it's got the close and open handle like this one. It will keep the bike nice and sturdy. So that's something different. Now this one over here, it's foldable, and this one is also foldable. So that's something that you also get at the same time. Now that's pretty much that. As you can see, 3 to 4 things are different on these. That makes the price range a little different. This one a little bit pricier, this one a little bit cheaper. Hopefully you found this useful and interesting. I'm gonna link the link down in the description where you can get these. And that's pretty much that. Consider liking, subscribing, and take care. Bye-bye.